Good evening, children. How are you? I think you are all fine. See, we already discussed everything about sets, but only last one, that is in Venn diagrams, I forgot to say about this universal set. Universal set is denoted by mu or u. It is denoted by this one. For example, India, if you take India as universal set, all states we can take as sets. These all states are subsets of India. So India, we have to take it as a universal set. Whole thing. Types, we have different types of teeth. All teeth we take it as universal set. In that can incisors, these are all the sets. And these sets are subsets of this universal set. See, we will see some universal set is denoted with rectangular in shape. For example, this is universal set. If you take universal set as a rectangle, see, for example, universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on up to 10. Then I will take only one set, that is 2, 4, or 6. This is a set which is present in universal set is denoted by mu or u. This is universal set. In this set we have 1 to 10 numbers are there. In that A set is having 2, 4, 6 elements are there. See, if you take a set A, 2, 4, 6 are present in this universal set now. That's why I took inside. This is set A, 2, 4, 6. Remaining elements we have to write here. That is universal set. Remaining, what are the remaining elements? 1, 2 is already there. 3, 4 is there. 5, 6 is there. 7, 8, 9, 10. Which are present outside the set A. Set A we have only 2, 4, 6. Remaining elements are present in this. This is universal set. Next one, if you take A as some elements and B as another elements and mu is nothing but universal set. If you take B is equals to 4, 6. This is one set. If you take A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 9. Then universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 10. How to denote these sets in the Venn diagram, in the form of Venn diagram? First, mu. Among all these sets, mu is the big set. So you have to take it as a rectangle. Rectangle, that is complete mu set. This is full mu set. This is mu set. In these two sets, B and A, which is the small one? B is the small one. And that too, this 4, 6 are also present in A. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That's why first we take B set. 4, 6. We take like this. And this is set B. And A set is somewhat bigger than B set. A set is somewhat bigger than B set. That's why we took somewhat larger. That is, what are the remaining elements? 2, 4 we already wrote. Sorry, 4, 6 we already wrote. 2, 6 are remaining. 2, 6 are remaining. 2, 9. See here, 2 I will write here. And 9. See, this 2, 4, 6, 9 already present here. 2, 4, 6, 9 already present in the universal set. Remaining elements we have to write outside of this B set and A set. What are the remaining? 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. These are the elements which are present in the universal set. First set is small set, that is B set. 4, 6. 4, 6 is also present in set A. That's why we wrote little bit bigger and we denoted some elements here. This universal set, in this universal set we have B set and A set. That's why Both we wrote here. Okay. Next one. How to denote belongs to? Between the element and set means we used to say belongs to. Between the set and set, between two sets, we have to write subset. For example, A is equal to, one small exercise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 10. A set. B is equals to 2, 3, 4. See, these are the elements. These are the elements. And this is one set and this is one set. The relation between two sets, we use subset. We use subset between for showing the relation between two sets. See, A, B is dash A. That means B, the elements 2, 3, 4 are also present in set A. That's why we keep B is subset of A. Whether A is subset of B? No, it is not subset. If you take the element 2 dash set B, at the time we have to write belongs to. 2 is the element. Between element and set we used to write belongs to and does not belongs to. For example, 5 dash set B. Is there any 5 element in this set B? No. So we have to write does not belongs to. 5 dash A, set A. 5 belongs to set A. Between element and set means we have to write belongs and does not belongs. If it belongs, we have to write belongs. If it does not belongs, we have to strike out does not belong. Between two sets, we have to write subset or does not, is not a subset. This one. And the last one is for this chapter. And the last one, how to write a roster form for a word mathematics. See here, mathematics is a word. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. How to write the roster form for this mathematics? I am denoting the set with capital letter, that is A. What are the letters? Letters of mathematics. See, M is repeated twice. A is also repeated twice. T is also repeated twice. So, we have to write it only once we have to write while writing the roster form. M, A, T, H, E. Again, you should not write this. I, C, S. So, these are the letters of the mathematics. See, we should not repeat. See, M came 2 times, but you should not write 2 times in the roster form. You have to write it only once. Remaining all problems in this sets chapter, you can do your own. You can do your own and you can check the answers. Okay, thank you.